Algae Tech project continues. The project is being developed in the Batam Indo-Industrial Park, Batam Island, Indonesia, with a total area of 1.2 hectare. It is situated in the industrial complex under the auspices of Batam Indo-Industrial Park. The project is by PT Tata Jabar Sejahtera in cooperation with BIC and Biomek Indonesia. The project is a turnkey project consulted and managed by Sasaran Biofuel, a subsidiary of Algae Tech Group of companies. Under a special O&M contract, PT Biomek Indonesia is the turnkey contractor and operator. Destined to be the largest photo-bioreactor project in Asia, this project is getting a lot of attention from the algae industry and biofuels enthusiasts from around the world. Algae Tech was incorporated in Malaysia in 2004 as Algae Holding Company. The group activities are focused on micro and macroalgae research and development. Algae Tech also provides consultancy for the newcomers in the algae industry. It is also seriously looking into primary production of diverse algae species for the global market. Under its own brand Premia, Algae Tech is also marketing consumer products such as spirulina and other popular algae strains as a food supplement. Algae Tech group of companies consist of a few subsidiaries. Biomek is a research and development company specializing on the developments of algae for biofuel. Bioherbal Extracts is primarily focusing in the cultivation of Haematococcus pluvialis for production of astaxanthin. This project is under the Technology Acquisition Funds from Malaysian Technology Development Corporation, or better known as MTDC. Sasaran Biofuel is the consultancy company responsible for this project in Batam, Indo. The project focuses on the sequestration of CO2 from the powerhouse flue gas for the purpose of algae culture. Algae Tech was founded to acquire specific intellectual property and exclusive microalgae cultivation technology for commercial use. Establish a fully integrated cultivation operation in Malaysia and the region. Establish quality products from microalgae for the global market. Establish joint ventures as may be required to advance Algae Tech's mission. Engage in other such beneficial activities related to its existing plan that the group determines will benefit its overall business strategy. The objectives of this project are to build a commercial algae production pod using the latest and advanced technology in Batam, to conduct research and development on the biological and chemical engineering of microalgae production systems for the biodiesel production and processing, to build and set up a biodiesel processing plant on the extraction and production of biodiesel from algae, to patent the IP of the improved algae production and the extraction of crude algae oil and processed biodiesel from algae, to market the technology, know-how, and the product, or algae-based products and biodiesel, locally and internationally. Other activities of Sasaran Biofuel includes project management, technology transfer and technical expertise to develop solutions to minimize and mitigate CO2 emissions through the diversion of the CO2 to open algal ponds and enclosed photo-bioreactors, algal propagation technologies to consume CO2 and waste streams. The company is presently consulting a listed company from Indonesia to address the technology know-how and implementation of microalgae development from the flue gas of the group's power plants. Utilization of power plant resources for growing selected microalgae strains at a low energy cost for valuable products and biofuels while providing CO2 sequestration. Low-cost algae agriculture, all-year algae production, low-cost flue gas providing CO2, low-cost water source, residual energy, and better use of arid land. The production of non-ochleropsis with sequestration of CO2 from the existing Batam Indo Investment Chakwawala powerhouse. Current usage of land is less than 50% of the total area. Target production capacity is 350 kg per day. Potential land capacity is up to 1.5 ton per day. These are the basic components of the area of the project. The laboratory, preparation area, CO2 and controller area, tanks and mechanical area, photo-bioreactor, harvesting and biorefining. This is the future. Algae will be the answer to energy and will be the new food of the future. Tata Jabar is the leader in Indonesia in this field and will be the main global player in the algae industry.